Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have a vintage haul. This is items that I picked up when I went thrifting with my good friend Crystal, who is Happy to Plan here on YouTube. I will put her link down below as usual. And we found some things for our junk journals, and I wanted to show them to you. This first thing here is not for my junk journals. It's actually for my daughter because she loves the Nancy Drew stories, and she especially loves the really old ones. And this one is pretty beat up. It looks like something ate it, but it's just the cover, and it was $1. And the book itself is all intact. It just looks like it got chewed on a little bit, but really cool. And this was from 1967, so really old one. I found another little telltale book. It's the Gingerbread Man. It's kind of in rough shape, but I am going to make a little book out of it. I have some in the process right now that are not Christmas. This one I'll save for Christmas time, but if you want to follow me over on my Etsy shop, I'll put the link down below, and they will be releasing really soon if they have not been already. So those are really cute. I'll flip through this, I guess, so you can see it. It's a really cute little book from, let's see, 19, I'm not sure what that year is, but they're usually the probably the 70s, or probably the 70s. It kind of has that feel to it. I found these Read and Hear. Well, they're little books that had records in them, but they don't have the records in them. This one is Chicken Little. So these will be great for my junk journals. And then this one is Cry Baby Cry, little duck book, super cute. This one is Puss in Boots. That's cute. This one is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I found a Care Bears one. I'm going to make another, like, I'll make an 80s themed. I don't think it'll be just Care Bears because I'm not sure yet. But anyway, there's a little Care Bears book. I found a little golden book. This one is a newer one. The original print was 1947. Then it says it was renewed in 1974, but this looks really, really new for 1974. I'm thinking it's even newer, because otherwise it would look more, it looks pretty much brand new, but super cute. Here is the little rabbit. Just thought this would be great for my Easter books. They're real pictures, but from the 1970s. So really cute. So 80s, 70s or 80s. 1980. Yeah. This one is super adorable. So this is spring. It is an Easter book, and 1954. This is the 1974 printing of it. But just beautiful color pages. Really, really cute. Nope, I don't need that. And then I found this little baby shower game book. I've been collecting things to do some baby junk journals, and this one kind of this was the baby collection that I used for my daughter's baby shower. So I have napkins of this little bear, and I think I had other things too. I may have had like a little baby little baby book where you write all the little information in. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to have that, and then I'll be able to include like these little bingo cards and things like that in my junk journals. I'm doing a duck themed. These are geese, but I know they're just really cute, and I thought that would be great to add in. Oh, this was from the Dollar Tree, just a spring coloring book that got stuck in there. Here is a really cute Sesame Street book. Brings back memories from my childhood. I'm thinking about doing a couple of these. I do have some little golden books that are Sesame Street, so I thought this would be great to use. Here is a Hungry Duckling. These are really cute little pages in here. This is fairly new, not real vintage, but I thought it would be really cute pages to use. This one is The Favorite Fairy Tales, and it is from 1980, and the images are from 1960, so it's a reprint book, but really pretty pages in there. And then this one is an Easter alphabet. And this one, let's see, 1991. But it has vintage images for all of the letters of the alphabet. So I thought that was really cute. And this will be great for my Easter journals. All right, and then my friend Crystal found this pack of Disney flashcards, and so we split it, and we'll be able to use these in some kid or Disney junk journals. They just have really cute pictures on them. So cute. And then for my baby shower or baby books, we found this paper. Here's some old baby shower paper, and then this little girl one is really cute. And then I found some package of laces, some vintage laces, and so I'm going to share this with Crystal too, but lots of fun things in here. There's some, looks like some sheer fabric with embroidery on it. There's some flower trim, some blue lace, more lace, just a bunch of scraps of lace here, really pretty. Purple trim, some black, a bunch of black. Here's some really cool eyelet trim. Blue there. Some green, pink, scallop lace, more lace there. Some blue trim, ribbon, and more lace. And then this card here, it was 30 cents, and it has 2 different laces on there. So that was my haul for this week. I hope you happen to run into your thrift store and find some fun things to use. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.